Okay guys, this is a 2022 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive hybrid. Super popular vans right now with the hybrid motor. It's a rebuilt title, had a front end damage. I'll let you take a good look at it here. Start it up here for you. .52, 146 on the miles. It's got the adaptive cruise, lane assist, your EV modes, drive modes, hold, brake hold, power, sliding doors. All your different options here. See, it's got power, sliding doors, cup holders, power options in there, automatic windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have the window shades there for the kids. Rear controls here. This is an 8-passenger. There's an extra seat in the back. You can see this is where that extra seat goes. Power options here. There's that 8-seat. These you can put all the way down so it lays flat. So it's got the differential there. Shows that it's all-wheel drive. There's your all-wheel drive badging. Hybrid, these things will get great gas mileage. These tires. Illuminated cooked plate. Here. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com. More great deals. Again, this is a 22 Toyota Sienna LE all-wheel drive hybrid.